This is tutorial number 45 and it covers how to create drawings within SOLIDWORks. To start off, let's open up a brand new drawing file. Let's click File, click New, click Drawing, click OK. Now this is the drawing template and we're able to browse and insert a part and create drawings from it. So let's click Browse, and from the TV remote let's click the bottom part and let's click Open. And now we're able to insert it into the drawing. Now if we scroll down, we're able to use a custom scale. If we were going to use the 1:1 scale, the drawing would be way too big, as you can see. So let's delete these. And let's click Drawings, click Model View, click Browse. Let's get the bottom part again. Click Open, and this time let's change the scale. Click Use Custom Scale, and you can change it to, let's do it 1:4. And now we're going to make the different views of the part. And then you're also able to make an isometric view. Click OK to accept. And now this isometric view, you're able to move anywhere within the part, but these three views are all connected. So when you try to move this, you see the line, the dotted line, you're only able to move it along that axis of it, and this line, you're only able to move it along that axis of it. If you move this part, they both move together with it. And that's because when you're making dimensioning, if you dimension from here to here, it's going to be the exact same from there to there. If you dimension the height from there to there, it's going to be the same of the height from there to there, so that they're all related. Click OK, and that's how you create drawings within SOLIDWORks.